Hey guys, check it out. The planting has arrived. So I would say we're ready to do the green wall, but we're not, because if you can see just down there, just in front of the camera, there is a load of planters that aren't up. And the reason for that is because the day that I started putting them up, I only had 14 battens, and there's meant to be another 14 battens on top. So this essentially is meant to be doubled. So you're going to have this again underneath. And then I think there'd still be a couple of spare, because I counted through the pots, and I think there'd still be a couple of spare pots. So I think we'll end up extending the wall slightly on that side. But yeah, so what I'll do is I will time lapse at least putting these plants in. Hopefully we'll get some sort of pattern going. I'll have to work that out and see how it goes. But yeah, let's get on. So guys, that is as far as I can get it today. As I say, I need to get these other battens, but then we should have, if we've got the remaining battens, actually, I said it would be double in height, but actually it might be slightly more, because double the battens actually means that you get another row down to here and another row down to here. So I may just end up increasing the length. I don't know yet. Well, when the battens turn up, we'll see and we'll decide then. But it's looking pretty good at the moment. Obviously we've got a lot of plants about, so hopefully they're all right on the ground before, well, I'm sure they are. They're all right until the remaining battens turn up. So guys, that is as far as I can go with it. What do you think? There is, so we're missing a complete row right through there. Well, I say complete row, there's two planters in there and then there's a row right in the middle. Now I know, yes, you're not meant to build it bottom up and then bottom up again. You're meant to just start from the bottom all the way up, but I was missing battens from the supplier, and so I didn't realise that the battens were missing while I was building it, and I just started putting the battens up, and it was only obviously until I realised I've got loads of pots left and no battens that I realised there was a problem. So they had to send us the battens, which they sent on Saturday, or arrived on Saturday, and carried on. So obviously you saw me get the rest of the battens in, but there are 4 planters missing, and got a fair few plants left over as well. But honestly, the pattern I've kind of gone with, I've lost it a little bit at the end here, so what I might have to do, because there isn't enough purple plants, what I'm probably going to end up doing is taking out a single row of purple there to fill in the purple here, and then add more ferns, because I've got loads of ferns. But then hopefully you'll have like a nice diagonal pattern kind of going on with the plants there. And yeah, I'm quite pleased with it. I mean, I'm slightly less bothered about these ones, but I love the colour of everything. I might have to trim that back a little bit if it doesn't sort of grow up right a bit more, and then obviously need to do some sort of feed for it, but it's about there now. What do you think? The idea was that we're trying to give a little bit of beautification to the container, because, well, you know, it's an ugly container, isn't it? It's just trying to make it look a little bit better than it is. So yeah, and then hopefully one day we'll be able to afford to finish the whole side of it, because that's 4 square meters. It will be 4 square meters by the time you fill in that middle bit, and that was £900 plus VAT to do that. So, but it was in the original grant application that I did for this. Yeah, anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Like if you liked it, and hopefully you subscribe. I noticed that 91% of people that are watching our videos aren't subscribed at the moment. Please do. We're going to be back to doing machining videos very shortly. I did some filming the other day of a load of 12 watt stuff, 12 watt bodies, etc. And I wanted to make sure I do videos of the actual powder coating of those 12 watts and the build, so that we can do a start to finish video of the 12 watts being built. Anyway, see you guys soon.